Johan, whenever you're ready, I'm gonna call you on stage. Open up your camera if you're comfortable to do so and start presenting whenever you're ready. Cool. I'll leave.
Hi everyone, thank you for inviting me here. My presentation today is a survey type research. The paper title is Unveiling the AI and Large Language Model Trends in the Pharmaceutical Industry. My name is Johan. I'm currently reading the field in University of Oxford. And you can find the archive link here if you feel interested to know more. I'll introduce the research in those several sections, the motivation, methodology and results, and we also have divided results into several sections based on the nature of the industry. The R&D part, clinical and hospital part, manufacturing, quality control, regulatory affairs, and other areas, for example, logistics. We all know AI is the hottest topic across the world. Many researchers engage in research, including many of today's presenters, as you have heard. At the application level, people also use it across various industries, whether to leverage its power for improving working routines or people to seek assistance in generating new ideas for innovation. Research specifically delves into an AI and large language model review of the pharmaceutical industry. So why do we focus on this area? We all know that the pharmaceutical industry holds significant importance for human well-being. And in 2017, the global pharmaceutical sector made a direct contribution of 532 billion US dollars to the world's GDP. And given the ongoing pandemic, this figure is anticipated to be much more than that. So when people try to produce high-quality pharmaceutical compounds, we observe that this industry encompasses several key sections. The R&D emerges as a vital where scientists dive into discovering better molecules and developing products. The manufacturing is equally crucial. After testing, the production scales up and leading to the creation of final dosage form, such as tablets and other dosage forms. And after that, regulatory affairs assumes a pivotal role involving interaction with authorities to ensure compliance in an industry subject to rigorous supervision due to its direct impact on human life. And lastly, there is the hospital and clinical sector. So let's dive into research for now. To review the current trend systematically, we look into two main databases, including IEEE and PubMed. And we have set time frame from 2019 to 2024, the 5 years, to catch the most up-to-date trendy. And we use a systematic review method, use multiple search strings in those databases. For example, we use pharmaceutical and artificial intelligence, or large language model and a topic. And we also apply our industry knowledge and divide the topic into more refined subtitle. For example, the R&D may include animal study, it may include clinical trial, and it may include drug discovery. So we use multiple substrings and to search in those two databases. And finally, we got final paper count of 7,402 papers. And in this bar plots, we could see each section paper amount. We can see paper in R&D are most papers compared to other two sections. And we can also see other emerging sections, for example, regulatory affairs and document intelligence, AI chatbots, and also emerging significant areas. We filter the paper and we only pick high quality paper in table 2 in the original article. And if you feel interested, please go to citation and check the original article. And we also labeling each article for many different characteristics. For example, the section of the pharma industry, the country of the research is originally conducted, technical article, or an application article. So based on those data, we draw an alluvium diagram in figure 3. It could let us dig more interesting things in those studies. For example, we could see a regulatory affairs section. researchers would like to use NLP techniques in those sections. And if we read the paper deeper, we could understand why this type of technology are used in this specific domain. As researchers, they intend to use it to analyze regulations and streamline the regulatory process to improve the compliance efficiency. We also try different visualization methods. For example, we use world map. From this, we can see somatic preference of research conducted by scholars in different countries. We could see there is a pronounced concentration of R&D efforts in China and USA, as you can observe the orange part in this map. And also, this trend highlighting those two countries are key players in driving innovation and advancement within the pharmaceutical sector. What's more, we can see Russia and Australia in the green part. They emerge as a notable hubs for research in manufacturing, indicating their significant contributions to this specific aspect. In Canada, there is a deep emphasis on clinical phase research, reflecting the country's focused approach towards the development and testing of the new therapeutic solutions. Meanwhile, we can see India is identified as a prominent center for research in quality control. These trends analyze India's commitment to a big manufacturer for global market and its commitment to ensuring safety, efficacy, and reliability of the products. And then we will dive into each section and look into what research are going on. So in R&D, there is a fascinating world of drug target prediction and drug interaction. There are famous models such as RASBGAT and IDDI-DNN. They are leading the way in predicting their interactions and fostering more effective and safer drug development. In our research, we also found that target identification is a hot topic for now, and there are tools developed like J5, RDK, and sklearn, powered by machine learning classifiers. And these technologies play a crucial role in identifying potential drug targets, paving the way for more precise and targeted drug development. In pharmacy world, there is a drug formulation, which is an area finding multiple optimal combination of inert materials and excipients with APIs. And there are more breakthroughs happening in preclinical research and clinical trials. Scientists using innovative approaches like NLP and multimodal techniques. And these technologies help predict the success rate for clinical trials, providing valuable insights for more informed decision-making in drug development. And this is the next section, the manufacturing and the quality control, which are also a pivotal part in pharma industry. And we can find the footprint for AI, for example, in the predictive controllers in cell culture process. These models employ predictive controllers to ensure optimal cell growth and product yield. You may also wondering how AI systems are transforming the energy management in pharmaceutical production. And these systems optimize dyeing process by dynamically adjusting parameters based on real-time data. So this not only leads to efficient energy use, but also ensures the maintenance of product quality, contributing to reduced waste and sustainable manufacturing practice. In quality control, scientists are using real-time measurement in coating thickness by machine vision and deep learning. This technology analyzes visual data for defect detection, ensuring that only high-quality medications can reach to the end users. And what's more, machine vision techniques are implanted for robust quality assurance, for example, in template matching phase. And there are techniques to automate inspections, reducing human error and maintenance consistency in packaging. And regulatory affairs section is a process when company they deliver their documents to agency. We can also call it authority. And agency will review the contents and give next direction for the company. That's where document intelligence play a role. and it's powered by large language model and NLP. Using those techniques, large volumes of raw data can be managed easier and ensuring compliance with the global standards. Artificial intelligence now being applied for automatic compliance calculations, monitoring, and prediction. And this involves the incorporation of analytics and blockchain technology to maintain data integrity. Also, AI frameworks are playing a pivotal role in automating routine work in PV phase, thereby enhancing the drug safety monitoring and adverse reaction reporting. The utilization of advancement technologies is totally turned over the way we ensure the safety of pharmaceutical products. And in the realm of biomedical research, researchers are deploying large language model chatbots to navigating the vast landscape of medical literature and patient data. And these chatbots prove invaluable in addressing complex medical inquiries, aiding in diagnostics, and providing treatment suggestions. I would say it's totally a marriage of cutting-edge technology and medical expertise. In the last section, we will delve into other supporting areas in this pharmaceutical industry, for example, supply chain and laboratory practices, and also medication information extraction and drug sales prediction. The utilization of blockchain is revolutionizing the way we manage and secure the flow of products. This innovative approach ensures greater traceability and security, making a significant advancement in supply chain management within the pharmaceutical sector. The groundbreaking changes happening in laboratory practices, particularly how artificial intelligence is spearheading in revolution. Laboratories are now leveraging AI to analyze biological samples, such as urine samples, enabling faster and more accurate diagnostics. And this marks a significant leap forward in the efficiency and precision of the laboratory tests. Also, we are witnessing the application of deep learning to optimize the pharmaceutical supply chain. This cutting-edge approach optimization the enhanced deep learning-based recommendation system is predicting drug demand and streamlining inventory management, and also mitigating disruptions for more efficient distribution of medications. And also we can see artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role in extracting vital medication information. Name identity recognition, NER, and relation classification, RC, are now integral components of clinical document analysis. And scientists use for automating the extraction process. This deep learning approach ensures efficiency, precision, and reduces the likelihood for human error, and providing healthcare professionals with precise data for clinical decision making and PV. Scientists from India, they use machine learning to predict pharmaceutical drug sales. Various machine learning algorithms are now employed to analyze historical sales data and predict the future market trends and also consumer behaviors. This data-driven approach enables accurate forecasting of future drug demands and allowing a manufacturer to adjust the production levels and manage inventory effectively and plan for market fluctuations. Okay, let's wrap up here, and thank you for listening. And if you want to know more about details about the study, please check on the archive link. And thank you for listening.